All right, so I figured it out. So my glasses are distance, and I need to see close up. That's why it wasn't working in my previous video, because the way I have when I have my contacts in, one eye is for distance, one eye is for close up, so I don't have to go back and forth. But once I did that, I could see what I was doing. So you can already see I moved. We don't see that little where the closure part is, and I am just gonna, still with the awl, just push that. Now that I got it inside the material, push that part just a little further in, so I can then get to, we can see this, oh, I don't know if you can see it, but see it now, we see like this little flat part. That is where I am going to put the X-Acto knife very carefully and cut it. In fact, actually, to make sure I'm careful, I'm gonna see if I can just hold that away from her head, right there, with, get in between the head and the material. So I don't want to cut the material. I just want to have, I'm gonna hold that, and I just have an X-Acto knife. I'm gonna see if I can just, if I can do this. Like I said, some dolls are easier than others. Do this, and I actually did tear a little bit of the material, which I was trying not to, but it's, you know, it will be covered up, and I can always put a stitch in when I reconnect her head. And like I said, this is only my second one, so it's still a learning experience, but there I can see more of that, the flat part. You get more of the flat part of her, of the zip tie. And did we get it? And I did get it. And so, if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I get the cut there. So all done with the knife. I think I also cut myself too. Oops. But now I'm just gonna reach in and, ooh, that's not good. I just got it all over her after I just cleaned her. We're gonna have to quickly re-clean her again, because it doesn't really hurt, but I nicked myself. Let me just stop. I'll be